Now let's come to our discussion point. Is nature just a place to visit, or is it a home? Our introductory activity is based on this discussion point. Now, in order to write this, it's good you watch the videos. That? No, it's really a home. Home to many species of animals, plants, trees, insects, reptiles, including endemic and endangered ones. What do you mean by this endemic? Those animals or plants that are found in only particular areas. Endangered means those ones which are almost extinct and not found anymore on earth. It is in the nature the wonderful process of creation happens. That is reproduction, which is of course the quality of God, godliness. That is only God can create. Once we go out into nature, we get refreshed, charged with positive energy. So it's a place where you find yourself peaceful and joyful. I find it like that. Whenever I'm gloomy, whenever you feel so bad, just have a walk out into the nature. We feel refreshed. It is scientists. If you observe nature, you learn things like how plants grow, how thunder occurs, what are the different phenomena that happens in nature. Also, if you are cute little poets, such poets are born when you enjoy the beauty of nature. You get food from nature, fruits, vegetables. It's not just you get the warmth from sun, also becomes so cool in a breeze. So nature definitely cares you like a mother. So it's a home. Don't you think so? It's a home. All living and non-living things are the parts of this vast home. We are not just the visitors, we are owners or custodians of this home, the nature. So we do have a responsibility to discard the beauty, learn from it, love it, protect, care, and preserve this beautiful place. So this Mother Nature expects harmony among all living beings. Harmony means a feeling of oneness. So let's just summarize the points. Nature is not just a place to visit. It's a home to man. Other living and non-living beings also it's a home. It provides us food, water, and fresh air to breathe. It keeps us warm, cool, happy, curious, and also peaceful. It can create and destroy. It is beautiful. It has the quality of a God. It has godliness. It can create. Because all the living beings reproduce. As owners of this nature, we should preserve it. Okay? So we'll wind up this introductory session. Your work is to write a paragraph on the topic Nature is a Home. If you find it difficult, what should you do? Listen to the class once again and write at least 10 sentences without mistakes. Okay? Thank you.